And today we find in the international media, there is virulent propaganda about Islam. The media, it is bombarding misinformation about Islam, whether it be the international news channels, whether it be the radio broadcast stations, whether it be the television channels, whether it be the internet. There is virulent propaganda about Islam in the international media. The media today, it is the biggest enemy of Islam. And if it wants to spread a misconception about Islam, it can do it within seconds. And the whole world believes in the misconception that is being spread. And believe me, we Muslims, we aren't doing our job as far as media is concerned. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah Anfal, chapter number 8, verse number 60, وَعِدُّوا لَهُمْ مَسْتَطَعْتُم مِّن قُوَّةٍ. And prepare your steeds of war, prepare yourself. As I mentioned earlier, media is the most important weapon in the world. We Muslims, we should use this media to try and convey the message of Islam and to try and remove the misconceptions that the international media is spreading against Islam. We should not only remove the misconceptions that the international media is spreading against Islam, but we should also try and present the correct teachings of Islam. And we Muslims, we should do dawah through the media.